Welcome! Are you looking to clean up your Instagram by deleting specific comments you've made? Whether you want to remove a typo, take back something you said, or just tidy up your digital footprint, it's easier than ever with Instagram's latest updates. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to delete selected comments on Instagram so you can keep your profile looking exactly how you want it. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your comments. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is your hub for everything you've done on Instagram, from posts you've liked to comments you've made. Now tap on Comments. Here you'll see a list of all the comments you've written across Instagram. This makes it super easy to find the ones you want to remove without scrolling through endless posts. To delete multiple comments at once, tap on Select in the top right corner. Now go through the list and tap on each comment you want to delete. You'll see a check mark appear next to each selected comment. Once you've chosen all the comments you want to remove, look for the Delete option at the bottom of the screen. Tap it, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Just tap Delete again, and those comments will be gone for good. And that's it! You've successfully deleted selected comments on Instagram in just a few quick steps. Keeping your online presence clean and positive is now easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!